My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware that is called UniversalSync. UniversalSync is the new adware attacking many Mac computers these days. This particular adware is from the adload family of adware type infections. UniversalSync adware, once installed, starts to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Furthermore, this particular adware may periodically redirect your browser to many other dangerous and shady places in the internet. Therefore, if it was somehow installed to your computer, be sure you get rid of this adware from your system as soon as you can. Now, to remove it, check your Finder, check your applications, and then when you find this UniversalSync adware on your computer, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.